When was Riverdance created? Have you ever wondered how a short dance performance could transform into a global sensation? Riverdance is a perfect example of that journey. So, when was Riverdance created? The story begins on April 30, 1994, during the Eurovision Song Contest held at the Point Theatre in Dublin, Ireland. This initial performance was just 7 minutes long but packed a punch. It featured the incredible talents of Irish dancing champions Jean Butler and Michael Flatley. They were accompanied by the vocal ensemble Anuna and a captivating musical score composed by Bill Whelan. The audience was so captivated by this brief act that it quickly led to the creation of a full theatrical stage show. This larger production officially opened in Dublin on February 9, 1995. From that moment on, Riverdance became a cultural phenomenon, touring around the world and introducing people to the vibrant traditions of Irish music and dance. The music of Riverdance has its roots in an earlier piece called Timedance. This three-part suite was composed for the Eurovision Song Contest in 1981 by Bill Whelan and Donal Lunny. They blended traditional Irish folk music with modern sounds, creating a unique style. Bill Whelan named the piece Riverdance, as it perfectly captured the spirit and energy of Timedance. For those traveling in Ireland, experiencing Riverdance is a fantastic way to connect with Irish culture. The show showcases the precision and rhythm of Irish step dancing, paired with powerful live music. It offers a lively cultural performance that reflects Ireland's artistic heritage. Many visitors seek out Riverdance performances or similar traditional dance shows to appreciate the country's cultural identity and history. In summary, Riverdance was first created in 1990 as a short act for the Eurovision Song Contest. It quickly evolved into a full stage show by 1995, drawing on earlier Irish musical traditions. Today, it stands as a key cultural export, allowing travelers to immerse themselves in the rich heritage of Ireland through this dynamic art form.